Here we go with our lesson 29 phonics. You will need a piece of paper for the end of this. Here we go. Say mince. Sound mince. I, n, t, z. Say lamps. Sound lamps. L, a, m, p, s. Say brains. Sound brains. B, a, n, z. Say stump. Sound stump. S, t, a, m, p. Say trains. Sound trains. T, a, n, z. Say sticks. Sound sticks. S, t, I, k, s. Good job. Here we go. Oops. Our spelling pattern, we have 2 spelling patterns for today. Let's read our first sentence. Ready? I always like to eat all the cake. Our first spelling pattern for today is A. A, when it has an L after it, will say ah. A, when it has 2 L's after it, will also say ah. Let's read our next sentence. Ready? She has a glass marble. Our next spelling pattern that we have is B-L-E, says bull at the end of words. Let's practice our spelling, our sounds. Here we go. Ready? Ah, ah, bull, dur, ed, t, and d, s, a, ow, and o, ah, dull, o, a, oo, and u, tull, oo, and all, bull. Good job. Now, let's read our words. Here we go. Ready? Look. Sound. Trail. Read trail. Look. Sound. St. Oo. Read stew. Look. Sound. Ook. Read hook. Look. Sound. All. Read hall. Look. Sound. Flew. Read flew. Look. Sound. Ow. Read bow. Look. Sound. O. Read bow. Look. Sound. Smooth. Read smooth. Look. Sound. All. Read tall. Look. Sound. Alt. Read salt. Look. Sound. Blazing. Read blazing. Look. Sound. Fool. Read fool. Look. Sound. Smog. Read smog. Look. Sound. All. Read mall. Look. Sound. Smoke. Read smoked. Look, sound, blooming. Read blooming. Look, sound, coast. Read coast. Look, sound, step. Read step. Look, sound, yards. Read yards. Look, sound, wall. Read wall. Look, sound, stood. Read stood. Look, sound, crooked. Read crooked. Look, sound, stalled. Read stalled. We're going to do some syllable work. This word here is wiggle. And the second syllable is gull. G-L-E says gull. It's an L-E syllable. This word is juggle. Let's snap the syllables. Juggle. The first syllable is jug. The second syllable is gull. This word is snuggle. Let's snap it. Snuggle. The first syllable is snug. The second syllable is gull. It's an L-E syllable. This word is riddle. Snap it. Riddle. The first syllable is rid. The second syllable is dull. It's an L-E syllable. Let's read the next one. The last word is stumble. Snap it. Stumble. Bull is the second syllable. It's an L-E syllable. Right, now we are actually going to do some writing. So the first word that we are going to write is tall. So what's the first sound we hear in tall? A T, which is a T. And then I hear ah, all. So I hear this small word all. So I know it's going to be an A, L, L, tall. All right, our next word we're going to write is tool. So once again, I hear a T sound, and this time I hear ooh, and I know that O says ooh. Tool. Good job. The next one we have is mow. O. I know O, W says O. The last word we're going to write is haul. All. Ooh. And this one has two L's, like tall. Good job on your phonics today.